Hello! Today's video is about speaking. So I'm going to share with you some words that you can use to describe activities that you do at home. And these activities are called chores. What is the meaning of chores? Chores are kind of related to housework. Housework like cleaning, cooking, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, things like that. So basically, I'm going to share with you some of these words and how you can use them in sentences. Number one, dusting. What is the meaning of dusting? Dusting is about like cleaning things, like as you can see on this short clip where you need to clear off the dust. Taking out the trash. As you can see on the clip that he's taking out the garbage. So in this case, we can say taking out the trash. Cooking. Basically like cooking lunch, dinner, even breakfast. And so in this case, we can say I am cooking if it is right now. But when it comes to our daily routine, we can say I cook every day, things like that. And if you want to describe the person who cook, we can say she or he is a cook. So you have to be very careful between cook and cooker. A lot of learners get confused between the use of cook and cooker. Cook is the person who cook, but cooker, as you can see in here. Sweeping. So sweeping, like sweeping the floor. She is or he is sweeping the floor. Mopping the floor. Mopping here, as you can see on the clip, where they're just mopping, like using the mop. So there is a difference between sweeping and mopping, as you can see on the clip. Making the bed. Making the bed, that means where you need to clean your bed, organize the pillows and everything. So we call it making the bed. Hanging the clothes, meaning that hanging actually has a lot of meanings. One meaning, as you can see on this clip, where she's hanging the wet clothes to dry. This is one thing. Another meaning of hanging, when you need to hang the clothes in the closet. So this is another meaning. All right? Setting the table. In this case, when you need to set the table by putting the plates on, in order, and as you can see on the clip, like putting the plates, the fork, knife, the cup. It's like arranging everything for the meal. Ironing here is like where you need to iron the clothes. All right? So this is called ironing. Washing the dishes. All right? So these are basically the most common words that you can use to describe the daily activities that you do at home. And but if you do other things, please let me know if there are other activities that we do at home and I missed that. And in case, I wish you a happy day, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel because that will really help me a lot. And yeah, so this is all. I wish you a happy day and I will see you on the upcoming video. Bye.